If you're looking for the best solution to streamline IT troubleshooting for remote employees, GoTo Resolve is one of the most popular options out there. But how does it measure up to the competition? Stick around, because we're diving into how it works, and by the end, you'll know if it's the right tool for your business or if there's something better suited to your needs. Let's get into it. First off, GoTo Resolve is designed to simplify IT support for remote teams. With features like remote desktop access, real-time screen sharing, and comprehensive ticketing systems, it offers a one-stop solution for troubleshooting without the hassle. It's especially useful if you've got a large team spread out across different locations, where solving IT issues remotely is a must. But, of course, like any software, there are some things it does better than others. Next thing, one of GoTo Resolve's standout features is its ease of use. The user interface is simple, intuitive, and doesn't require extensive training. Setting up remote access is as easy as clicking a button, making it great for businesses that don't want their IT teams bogged down by complicated systems. However, this simplicity can come at the cost of flexibility. If your business needs more custom configurations or integrations with third-party software, GoTo Resolve might not be as adaptable as you'd hope. It works well out of the box, but it might fall short for highly specialized IT environments. The fourth thing worth mentioning is security. GoTo Resolve provides features like encrypted connections and secure access protocols, which are crucial for protecting sensitive company data while troubleshooting remote employees' machines. But with the growing number of cyber threats, the question remains, does GoTo Resolve offer enough layers of protection compared to other IT management tools on the market? It's certainly not lacking, but some competitors, like insert competitor name, have more robust security protocols designed for larger enterprises. Now, let's talk performance. GoTo Resolve provides fast, real-time troubleshooting with minimal lag, even during remote sessions. This is a huge plus when every minute counts. Still, when compared to other platforms, some users report occasional slowdowns with GoTo Resolve's remote desktop functionality, especially during peak usage times. So, while it's reliable, you might experience the occasional hiccup, especially when your team is scaling up. So, is GoTo Resolve the best solution for remote employee IT troubleshooting? It's a solid choice, but it's not without its flaws. If your team relies heavily on custom integrations or advanced security measures, you might find more value in alternatives. And if you're looking for even more streamlined performance, there are competitors that offer similar, if not better, solutions. That said, GoTo Resolve has a pretty enticing offer, and we have an exclusive, extended free trial for our viewers. Plus, we're also sharing some amazing alternatives to GoTo Resolve that could be better suited for your needs, and they also come with free trials. You'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits through the link in the description. So, check out the link and decide for yourself if GoTo Resolve is the right tool or if one of the alternatives will better meet your needs.